Hello lovely people, this is Lara here again. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Yay, I'm so excited today. I don't know why. All right, so today I'm going to show you guys how I achieve a glam look. Right, so you just want to go to a party, you want to go to a wedding, or you just want to attend a virtual party as we all do now, or you just want to enter inside Instagram, Instagram. Okay, you want to enter Instagram, enter Snapchat. This is video to watch, guys. So you just want to have your natural looking hair texture. I was thinking of doing the makeup, hair and everything in this video, but it's just going to take too long to get through it, so I chose to only show the hair part today. So I'm going to do my makeup off camera, but I would show you guys how I achieved just the hair. I hope it comes out nice. If it doesn't, I hope it comes out nice. Yes, it will, because it always does. And for people that have straight hair, you're not left out. You can still use anything close to your texture is all you need to get this look. I've just done my makeup now, but I need to just touch up, put some lipstick on, and then do the glam hair. Yes, guys. Wear some jewelries. Okay, so we'll take out my hair now. Woo! All right, so I have my hair in twist. I've had this twist for about a week after I steamed my hair. So what happened was I had to do a very heavy-handed trim because my hair's been breaking off from postpartum shedding. It's breaking a little more than what it would normally do, so it's just hair, so I just cut off a lot more than I would normally trim my hair. They still have my head anyways, and my edges that are normally not there are also breaking, which is weird. That means that I'm not going to eventually have hair on my head by the time all the shedding is over. I'm going to have this hair in or under the style. Take out the ones in front. That's this ones. Why I'm taking this out is to cover our extensions. It's just a little bit, not too much. Things might be too much. So on this side, why I'm leaving this hair out is because you might want to put your hair to the back, and you don't want your tracks showing or the wefts showing. So I just take this out from my hair, just a little bit, not too much. I can put this back in the twist that they were. What I'm doing is putting back the hair in twist. So I've done the same thing on the other side. I'm just going to, so you see what I've done, taking out the hair to cover my extensions. I think you guys will understand this. This is very straightforward. So I would take this aside because we're going to use it later on. What I'm going to do with the back is take the hair. You remember that you can't pin that. So I'm just going to pin. Take a bobby pin and clip it down. You can actually just clip it down here and then clip the other side also. Doesn't have to be neat because it's going to be all under, so clip both down, but remember that you have these are the extensions I'm going to use. All right, so there are two types in there. I have the one from Betterlength and the one from Hergivenhair. This is the Betterlength one. See that it's not looking too kinky. It's kinky anyways, it's just that it's not as much. I think it's closer to when you have your hair relaxed. The Hergivenhair one is the one I used in the previous video. That's that one that I had the bun and fringe or bangs on. So can you see it looks more coarse than the other one? Okay, so the ones that are less coarse are going to be used at the back. So basically What I like to do is leave some hair at the back so I can pack my hair up, but this time around I'm not really in the mood to do that because I'm not going to need to do that anytime soon, so I just want it down. Clips, a long one, so I just measure. Second one. It depends on how many clips you have, but I still have a couple of long clips to put in. This is in length 16 inches. Then for the guys that don't have clippings, it's actually, and you have natural hair, it's worth getting them because they've been massively helpful. I'm just trying to get to the front, although I still have a couple to do behind. I'm trying to use the closest one to my natural hair, so this would be the ones in front. Now we're getting to the front. These are the tricky bits. I want the hair to fall to my face a little, so I'm going to bring this forward, clip, yep, yeah, so that's all. Can you see there's a space there? It's feeling weird. I don't know if it looks weird, but just gonna fill that up a little, and this should be good. Let's see. Okay, feels better. So, we're almost done. I just need to fill in spaces. Okay, so most times because of the transition, you see the hair is short. We have 14 inches and then I have 16 inches down here. So what I do is I try to obscure the transition. All right, so I just put it in between. You see now that there's that, I hope you understand what I'm talking about. All right, so you see that there's the short one, and then I just put that long one on it in between. I hope this is easy to get. So I put it on it and I look like a lion. Yeah, so if you find that there are like spaces or you're just not feeling all right with any bits, I know you can just, you know, put some, or you want it bigger than this, like you want very big hair. I could actually pull more because I have a couple more. Like, so we're gonna take out the leave outs now. So what happened was I dyed this hair to this color because my hair was about this color before it cut off and it's now black. So that's why it's looking weird like this, but I think it still works. Yeah, it still works. It has the ombre effect, so it still works. So this is the back. Just comb it through. Hope it looks alright. Okay, how does this look? Do we look glam enough, or should I have put more? I'm not sure. If you think I should have put more, you can put it in the comment section. But I think it looks alright. Let me see. to cover this up. Doesn't look good. So what I do is I take a bit of anything black. I think a lot of people do that. We that were fortunate to not have edges. Take my toothbrush, yes, and edge control. Darken my brush, yes, and then put the edge control. The edge control. Just a little bit. I try not to put anything on my edges and leave it naturally bald. So what I'm trying to do is trying to make the hairs on there look more noticeable. You guys might not see the difference, but I see a lot of difference. Alright, so, and then I brush all the others through. You with very full edges, you don't know what it's worth. So let's make this very straight. Yeah, very straight. Yeah, looks alright. And then sometimes I like to take it a little far. A little more edge control would do the trick. So a lot of people will say, oh, you don't have edges, what you need to do is let it be this, that. Yeah, no problem. It's just that, don't I have to do my edges? Yeah. Do I look a mess? Kind of, but it's fine. I think it would work. It would work. On the back, I know there's some coarse ones, but it doesn't. Does this look bad? No, it doesn't. So I like everything in front. Okay, what do you guys think? So I'm going to wear my earrings now.
And I see that. So you have to part it this through so the demarcation isn't looking crazy. Yes. Part of my neck. I haven't recovered from the black neck I got in pregnancy.
I complain too much, do I? And then some lipstick. What can we do without lipstick? I'm going to use this MAC lipstick by... Oh, this lipstick by MAC is called Diva. So it's purplish, reddish purple, purplish red. Or is it wine? Is it burgundy? Forgot primer. Nice, very nice on me with a very oily face. All right, how does this look?